What's going on, guys? This is Late Night Cameron. I'm currently editing this video and I realized that I never made an introduction to this, so welcome back to the channel. I hope you all enjoy the video and I'll see you guys, I guess, in a second. See ya. Alright, so I just got this package in here. Hopefully this is what I hope it is, because this doesn't weigh anything at all. So I'm just going to break into it and see. This little section will be a part of another video. It is currently Sunday. I was out of town all weekend. You will see that footage. Should have seen it in the last video. That was an insane weekend. Anyways, they really taped this well. That amazing moment when your SD card corrupts while you're making this video. So, what I unboxed that you didn't see are a new set of handlebars. These bars are for the cafe bike, not that one, that one. And we're just gonna get them installed today. I hate when that happens. Okay, so we got four 12mm bolts that we need to take off to loosen, hope we go the right way, the handlebar clamps. Now these guys, I'm honestly surprised that these aren't stripped, just like everything else on this bike. What? Hello? That one didn't even feel tight. So we're gonna jump into that and we'll be right back. Okay. Bars are off the bike. Oh my gosh. Spray painted everything. Okay, please work. I've been having problems with the SD cards and it just keeps saying there's an error. Anyways, we're gonna install this now. I've got the old bars out. New bars are right here. They look completely different. I'm so excited for these low riser bars. So, oh, that looks so sad. We're just gonna jump right into it. Well, dang, don't those look way better. So they're not completely tightened down yet. I'm going to go ahead and set the tank on the bike to see where or how I want to orientate these. I just have to take these screws out. Just one and two. That should pop off. Always set these back in there so they know where they're at. Take the primer tank. Got some more sandings to do. Oopsies. That should slide. No, bars are away. Stay there, right? Open over the wiring harness. Coil underneath there. Well, that's gonna look sick. Alright, make sure that's recording. This is gonna be awesome. So things I'm learning right now. Seat, way too thick. I have a new seat coming that's gonna be way lower, which will make it look way better than that. The foot pegs, these are in a weird spot for this kind of riding position. Honestly, the passenger foot pegs are in a better position. So I might have to do some fabrication, move those back there, and then try to find a new spot for some passenger foot pegs, but it really is just a mangled mess right now. We're starting to get an idea. We're getting there. We're gonna go back to a time lapse. Okay, so we're gonna have to keep toying with this a little bit. I have a new throttle cable for this side, and the bars hit on the tank right there. If you can see that right there. So we'll have to figure something out for that. But other than that, man, I'm so excited. So we'll jump back into present time. See you in a second. All right, so it's super late right now. I just got a package in for the bike, I do believe. I just wanted to open it real quick because I have been waiting for this for a little bit. I'm kind of excited. Because if I am correct, this should be a main piece that we needed for the front of the bike. I tape these really well. Just what I wanted, a box inside of a box. Haha, that's what that says. So I hope this isn't a joke, that'd be bad. Okay, we got a little grill. Pull this guy out. Oh, yes. That's gonna look so sick. Well, we got the new headlight in for the Cafe Racer, and it's yellow. Oh, this looks awesome. I'm so excited to put this on him. Trying to find out where that wiring harness is. Okay, there it is. Also, it's pretty straightforward. I don't know if I'm going to run this part or not before, but this goes on right here. Makes it kind of a more Mad Max style, I guess, is what you would call it. I don't know. I guess we'll see how it looks on the bike. Okay, present time, and go. Alright guys, so it's been a couple days since I've recorded it all. I've been out traveling and finally just got home. What I was able to do on the bike is, tank is painted, it looks very meh, I have to redo it. Handlebars are on, headlight is on. I really like this bracket that I got from Amazon. It's got holes for the blinkers, and I was able to fix this little section here so that it no longer hits the tank, because that was going to be a big issue. But I just need to make this short clip to finish out the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. My name is Cameron. I hope to see you in the next one. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Have a great rest of your day. See ya.